All right, let's do that together, or at least like observe, because I want to make sure there's a demonstration on video for you guys. So what we just did, we were using quarter notes, right? So quarter notes, if you want to try to do this with me, great. If you'd rather just watch, that's fine. I'll count 3. 1, 2, 3. Switch to D flat. Switch to B flat. D flat. So those quarter notes. When that gets easy, do eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and now D flat. If that gets easy, then do triplets. 1, 2, 3. Etc. Yeah? Now the second step here would be to create a little melodic idea that works for B flat. And then, so here's a second practice, just an exercise. Create an idea that works with B flat, and then you're going to repeat the idea on D flat, but altering the notes that need to be altered to fit this scale. So for instance, if I went for B flat, then for D flat, right? Let's do a different one. Let's do B flat going down. Then when you get to D flat, this A would have to be flat, G flat, and F, right? Let's try that. Ready, and then in D flat, back to B flat, back to D flat. Make sense? There's a, let's see, I wrote a couple more here. All right, so number 2 there, it's a little bit more complex. We have an F, then finger 3 on B flat, A, B flat, C, and D. And the rhythm is rest. Let's try that. Now, so with the B flat, how would it change for the D flat? F stays the same, B flat stays the same, the A needs to become flat, right? And the D flat. So for D on the second chord, let's do that again on the D flat. Back to the B flat. Next one. Make sense? And the last little idea there on the blackboard, I'm starting on the D natural. I would do that with finger 3, E flat, F, C, B flat. Only one of these notes is going to need to change for the D flat. Which note is it? No one knows.
Would be the D flat.
Yeah. So for during the B flat chord, the D is natural. During the E flat chord, the D would have to be flat. you to practice a little bit of the improv, you know, because moving from key to key is pretty tricky, and that's the first time we actually are doing that for improv, right, in the class. So moving from B flat major to D flat will be this, right? So creating little ideas that work for one and then transposing it to work, not transposing it, but adjusting the idea, right? And the other thing to think about too is like there are notes that are in common. So you could potentially just play the notes that are in common and not have to change it all. What are notes that are in common between B flat and D flat? Let's see, B flat. D flat has a B flat. It has a C, but not a D natural. E flat is common, F is common, and the next two are not. So B flat, C, E flat, and F work for both, right? So if you wanted to just be lazy, you can, and it'd be. But I think you would like to do some other stuff too. So